When it comes to maintaining your home or business in Sterling Heights, one of the most important aspects to consider is the gutter system. A properly functioning gutter system plays a crucial role in protecting your property from water damage, which can lead to costly repairs and potential structural issues. With various gutter types and materials available, it's essential to choose the right system for your property to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Here's a guide on how to select the ideal gutter system for your Sterling Heights home or business. Understand your local climate. Sterling Heights, located in Michigan, experiences a range of weather conditions throughout the year. Winters can bring heavy snow and ice, while summers can bring intense rainfall. Therefore, it's important to select a gutter system that can handle both snow and water runoff. Consider opting for a system that can withstand freezing temperatures and prevent ice dams, which can cause gutters to break or leak. A good solution for harsh weather is a seamless aluminum gutter system. Aluminum gutters are lightweight yet durable and are less likely to rust or corrode in wet conditions. Additionally, the seamless design reduces the chances of leaks, making them an ideal choice for homes in Sterling Heights. Choose the right gutter material. The material of your gutter system is a critical factor in its performance and longevity. Different materials come with various benefits, so it's essential to select one that suits both your needs and your budget. Aluminum. As one of the most popular choices, aluminum gutters are lightweight, resistant to rust, and affordable. They are ideal for Sterling Heights properties, as they can handle varying weather conditions. They are available in a wide range of colors and can be custom fitted to your property, which helps maintain its aesthetic appeal. Copper. Copper gutters are highly durable and can last for decades without rusting. Their distinct appearance gives your property an elegant, timeless look. Though more expensive, copper gutters are an excellent investment for long-term protection and aesthetic appeal. Vinyl. If you're on a budget, vinyl gutters might be the right choice for you. While they are affordable and easy to install, they may not hold up well in extreme weather conditions. If you choose vinyl, make sure you're prepared for occasional replacements, especially in colder months. Steel. Steel gutters, particularly galvanized steel, are incredibly strong and ideal for homes that experience heavy rain and snow. Steel gutters are more durable than vinyl but can be prone to rust over time if not properly maintained. They are often used in commercial buildings or homes with a modern industrial design. Consider gutter size and capacity. The size of your gutter system is another key consideration. Sterling Heights experiences significant rainfall, and your gutter system must be able to handle the volume of water that flows off your roof. Gutters are typically available in different widths, with the standard sizes being 5-inch and 6-inch gutters. 5-inch gutters. These are perfect for average rainfall and smaller homes. If your property has a small roof or limited overhang, 5-inch gutters may be sufficient. 6-inch gutters. For homes with large roofs or properties that receive heavy rainfall, 6-inch gutters are a better choice. They provide better water flow and reduce the risk of overflowing during intense storms or snowmelt. Choosing the correct size will help prevent water damage to your foundation, landscaping, and exterior walls. Think about gutter protection. Gutters are meant to direct water away from your home, but they can quickly become clogged with leaves, twigs, and debris. In Sterling Heights, where trees are abundant, investing in a gutter protection system is essential. Gutter guards or covers can prevent debris buildup, allowing your gutter system to function more efficiently and requiring less maintenance. There are various types of gutter protection systems, including mesh guards. These fit over your gutters and allow water to flow through while blocking debris. They're affordable and easy to install but may require occasional cleaning. Screen guards. Made of wire or aluminum mesh, these guards are effective at blocking larger debris and are suitable for homes surrounded by trees. Solid covers. These completely cover your gutters, ensuring that no debris gets inside. They are more expensive but require the least maintenance. Professional installation and maintenance. Once you've chosen the right gutter system for your Sterling Heights property, it's crucial to have it installed by professionals. A proper installation ensures your gutters work as intended, protecting your home from potential water damage. Additionally, regular maintenance is key to keeping your system in top condition. Clean your gutters at least twice a year, particularly in the fall after leaves have fallen. Conclusion: choosing the right gutter system for your Sterling Heights property involves considering factors such as the local climate, the material of the gutters, size, and the addition of gutter protection. By making informed decisions, you can ensure that your gutter system is efficient, durable, and capable of protecting your property from water damage for years to come. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a long-lasting investment, the right gutter system will provide you with peace of mind and maintain the structural integrity of your property.